Most people are reacting to life like firefighters, putting out one problem after another. But what if you could design your life like a grandmaster plays chess, always thinking 10 moves ahead? In this video, you'll learn how to use strategic thinking to stop drifting and start building the life you actually want. Chapter 1. Unlock self-awareness. Think of yourself as the CEO of your life. A great CEO knows their company inside out, the strengths, the weaknesses, the blind spots. Grab a journal and answer this. What patterns show up in your past wins? When things went wrong, was it a skill gap or a mindset? The goal isn't judgment. It's understanding your personal operating system. Because once you see yourself clearly, you can make moves that amplify your strengths and protect your weak spots. Chapter 2. Craft a vision. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. That's how most people live. Instead, zoom 5 years ahead. Where do you live? What do your mornings feel like? What challenges have you already solved? Then reverse engineer it. Ask, what should I be doing this month, this week, today, to move toward that vision? Your vision is your compass. It doesn't predict the future. It guides your choices. Chapter 3. Design your environment. Willpower is overrated. Strategic thinkers don't rely on motivation. They design their environment to make success effortless. Want to read more? Put a book close to you and your phone far away from you. Want to work out? Put the gym clothes visibly where you can see them. Only allow your favorite podcast while exercising. Make the right actions easy. Make distractions hard. Chapter 4. Maximize resources. Time, energy, skills. These aren't things you spend. They're things you invest. Every skill you learn compounds. Strategic thinkers also use leverage. They don't need to own every resource. They borrow tools, delegate tasks, collaborate. It's not about having more. It's about doing more with what you already have. Chapter 5. Turn risk into opportunity. Most people avoid risk. Strategic thinkers calculate it. Trees that face strong wind grow deeper roots. So do we. Here's how to think. What's the worst that could happen? What's the best case outcome? What's most likely? Then look for asymmetric risk, where the upside is huge and the downside is tiny. Smart risk takers don't wait for the perfect moment. They plan for the storm and the breakthrough. Chapter 6. Learn with purpose. Smart learners don't just collect random skills. They master how to learn. Focus on meta skills, pattern recognition, mental models, strategic problem solving. Example, learning music sharpens your brain's pattern recognition. Learning chess teaches decision-making under pressure. Every new skill should unlock multiple doors, not just one. Chapter 7. Build powerful connections. Your network isn't about numbers. It's about alignment and value. Be the person who gives first. Help others grow. Relationships are like plants. Some need sunlight every day, others only once a season. Want to level up fast? Connect people in your network who can help each other. That makes you the bridge, and bridges create value. Chapter 8. Strategize your career. Strategic careers aren't built by job hopping. They're crafted by stacking assets. Every role, every project, every relationship should teach you a new skill, expand your network, boost your visibility. Think in arcs, not ladders. It's not just about up. It's about building momentum in the right direction. Lastly, design, don't drift. Strategic thinking means you're not just living by default. You're designing on purpose. One small decision at a time. That's how empires are built. So zoom out, think long, move smart, and remember, you're not a pawn in this game. You're the architect. Now go build something worth living in. If this video sparked something in you, hit that like button, subscribe for more content on building a life by design, and share this with someone who needs to stop reacting and start strategizing.